Hey guys, welcome back to the channel, and this is how to fix exclamation mark on Outlook. So first thing that you will do is simply go ahead and go to the start menu and search for run. And after that, here on the run, just simply search for percentage local app data percentage and select OK. And from here guys, just simply go for Microsoft over here. And now here on the Microsoft, just simply go for the Outlook. And after that, just simply go for the Roam cache. Just simply delete all of these. And after that, just simply go ahead and close out your Outlook application. And after that, just simply go ahead and search for run and go for outlook.exe and just simply select OK. And from there, you should be able to fix the issue. And there you go. I hope this video helped you understand more, and thanks for watching.